Here we have a litter of mini F1 Bernedoodles from Little Paws of Iowa. This is America and Buddy's litter. We estimate the puppies to range approximately 35 to 50 pounds when they were full grown. They were born October 8 and they will be 8 weeks on December 3. The parents in this litter are health tested, genetic and OFA tested. This is the Towering Trees theme. There are 3 males, 3 females. This first puppy, Willow, with a yellow flower scarf, is 6.4 pounds. This is a female, and she is one of the 2 biggest puppies in the litter. In the gray scarf, we have Pine, a male. He is 5.7 pounds. So average size for the litter. This is Birch, a male with a brown striped scarf. He's 5.9 pounds today. Here we have Cedar with a maroon plaid scarf, another male. He is one of the biggest 2 in the litter as well. He is the biggest male, 6.4 pounds today. Here we have Aspen with the leaf pattern scarf. She is 5.6 pounds. Another female. And then we have Maple with the green dot scarf. She is 3.9 pounds today. She's always been one of the smaller pups in the litter, the smallest, I should say. So this is America's litter. You can check our website for availability in this litter. Also be sure to check our training and delivery options.